We consistently see amazing recoveries here at the Bonati Spine Institute. Most patients leave pain-free, no longer relying on prescription drugs. Our patients come from across the globe to seek out the exclusive patented Bonati Spine Procedures from world-renowned orthopedic surgeon Dr. Alfred Bonati.
I'm 45. I do air conditioning, refrigeration work. Well, the first one was a car accident about 20 years ago. And I hurt my neck in that accident. Had some bulging disc on C4, 5, 6, 7. And I lived with that for about 15 years or better. The only alternative to the doctors around here was putting rods and screws, so I opted out of that. I'd like to do a lot of offshore fishing and hunting. I was kind of limited to my offshore fishing with the bouncing around offshore. I had multiple chiropractor visits, multiple steroid injections in my neck, physical therapy. You get a little relief from time to time, but the majority of the time it was just a dull ache and numbness for years. A good friend of mine in the area had went to Bonati and had very good results out of it, so I scheduled with them. And the Bonati experience was just a few hours each day, and to get rid of the pain. And then we was back out on the road, going to the restaurants, seeing the beach. It was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. On the first surgery, I think I had like a 7 o'clock surgery time, and I was out by 10:30, 11 o'clock. Well, the day after the second surgery, me and my fiance, we walked 5 hours at the Tampa Zoo the day after surgery.
It's rewarding here when you see these people come in with walkers and wheelchairs, and they walk out of here basically pain-free and walking like they haven't walked in years.
It was pretty amazing being on the operating table and being awake and being asked the question about how's the numbness in your fingers at this point, and it was gone while I was still on the operating table. That was the amazing part to me. Bonati just went in and addressed the situation and fixed it immediately. Some of my local doctors look at the scars and hear at the procedures that they done, and they're just in awe about it. It's almost like there's no way possible that could have been done.
It's a tremendous technique, and it works so well. And the patients get up, there's so little recovery time, they are happy, they are pain-free. That's the key, and they get their lives back.
What I try to tell people that really they don't understand how it can be, possible that it's that quick of a, recovery, I would say. You either have feeling or you don't. I try to tell them it's like a water hose. If you kink it, you have no water. You unkink it and there's your water. I mean, your nerve is the same way. It's either working or it's not, because it's kinked. I was very amazed at how they could trim that off of there and just get immediate relief. I went back 2 years ago for my lower back, and Dr. Bonati done the same procedures on my lower back. From the first time I went 5 years ago to going back last year, to see all the same faces in a medical facility really said something to me about the Bonati Institute. That's just not something you normally see in any line of work, especially in the medical field, is somebody staying there and working for that length of time. It was like being a family. Even though it was 4 years in between visits, when you walked in the door, everybody's like, "Oh yeah, we remember you. How you doing, Gene?" And remembered my fiance the same way. Get a radiology report from your MRI, fax it to them, call them, let them know what's going on. And my experience was either within the day or within the second day, You get a phone call back saying, yes, Mr. Crooks, we can fix you. No, we can't. The 3 procedures I had done on my lumbar, within a week, I was back in the deer stand. A lot of the friends and family was like, how can you go deer hunting and you just had back surgery, a week ago? It felt better than I had before. Bonati can fix you through some minor surgeries, and they are honest enough to tell you if they can't fix you. You don't have to go get pins and screws and have a major surgery to fix this problem. Pick the phone up and call Bonati, and they'll simply look at your records and tell you yes or no, we can fix you or we can't. I mean, it's just simple as that. It's worth a phone call.
The pathology of the patients are very diverse. Some people have simple problems. Some people have very complicated problems. The beauty is that we have such an experience in spine surgery in this institute that we usually can have the answers to correct the problems on any patient who comes to see us.
All my pain is gone, gone.
Today I am totally pain-free. Nothing. No after effect.
It gave me my life back.
I am feeling great.
I feel 100% better, like a new person.
I'm pain-free, and I have had to take any pain medication.
Today I'm completely pain-free.
I only wish I'd known about it earlier. Right now, I am completely without pain.
During the procedure, I literally felt the pain melt away. It was fantastic.
I feel so good.
It took care of my headaches instantly.
It's incredible. It's really incredible.
Today I am pain-free for the first time in over a year, and it is so awesome.
It's just wonderful. I feel fantastic.
Sitting here in this office right now, pain-free, eager to enjoy the rest of my life.
It is just absolutely amazing.
Today I feel absolutely fantastic. It's just incredible, the relief I feel right now.
So I'm hoping to be climbing hills in a few weeks.